Good morning, students. We have the last topic in this chapter to discuss, which is about the thermos flask. This is also called vacuum flask or Dewar flask. But popularly it is known by this name only, which is thermos flask. You must have seen thermos flask. It is basically used to keep the liquid to remain at the same temperature, and mostly in winter season we want to keep hot liquid in it, and you will find after long hours also there is no change in the temperature, the hot liquid taken remains hot. Then how is it possible? What are the important parts in thermos flask that makes it possible where the temperature does not change at all? Now if you see the interior parts of the thermos flask, you will find these parts which play a very important role in maintaining the temperature of a liquid. Actually, the temperature of a liquid can be maintained only when the transfer of heat energy is completely stopped. Means if the heat energy cannot go out, nor the heat energy from out can come inside, it is only then the liquid taken inside can remain at the same temperature. And we have already seen that there are three methods or modes of transfer of heat by which the heat may go to outside. So we have to stop these three transfer of heat energy. Only then the temperature can remain same or temperature can be maintained inside. So important parts you will find it is stopper, double wall glass, vacuum, cork, silver, valve, outer case and vacuum seal. Let us first see how can the transfer of heat by conduction method be stopped. So in order to stop the heat transfer by conduction method, you can see the stopper is there and the cork is also there. So by this we can completely stop the transfer of heat by conduction method. And also to some extent there is vacuum which also stop the transfer of heat by conduction method. Now to stop the heat transfer by convection method, we have a vacuum in between the wall of the bottle. This is a special type of bottle taken inside where there is a gap between the two walls. It is also called double walled glass, and there is complete vacuum in between, and it is this vacuum only that prevents the transfer of heat by convection method. Now if suppose these two methods are not working, there can be a chance that by radiation method heat may go out, or there can be transfer of heat. It means that we have to stop this method as well, and for this we have this silvery walled glass. Silvery walled glass. This is highly polished from inside, and so the heat if it strikes this silvery polished, it will be reflected back and will cannot go out. So as a result, all the three modes of transfer of heat is completely stopped, which will completely stop this method will not allow the heat transfer to take place, and as a result the temperature of the liquid will be maintained. So this much we have about the thermos flask. Thank you.